How to power off Xiaomi phone. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now, in order to power off the Xiaomi phones, what you can simply do is make a long press on the power button over here. Now when you make a long press on the power off button, you can see the options of power off. So you can just tap on power off and then you'll be able to turn off the Xiaomi phone. Next, what you can do is simply launch the settings application, and as you tap on the settings, then scroll down to additional settings over here. Here, tap on the accessibility option and then tap on accessibility button. So you just have to toggle on this option of accessibility menu shortcut, then tap on allow. Now you'll be able to see this little pop-up. So just if you want to power off, tap on it. And here you can just see the option of power and you'll be able to toggle off or power off the Xiaomi phone. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.